Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain how you can create a proper wallpaper app in React Native with help of Unsplash API. So recently NKBHD launched an app called Panels where you can download wallpapers in the app for $50 per year, and then it showed a lot of ads to even download the app any images for free, as well as in the images were not that good, and then the UI and UX were not particularly good for his standard, right? So in this video I will explain how I made this particular wallpaper app in React Native with help of Unsplash API. So I used a lot of libraries called Tanstack Query, and then Turbo Image, as well as a blob util to save the images to your gallery, as well as I use React Native permissions to get the relevant permissions required to uh, save the images to the user's gallery, right? So you can see this is an infinite scrolling one where with the help of Unsplash API I would get the images and showcase it here. And then next what I can do is I can also search, like for example I can go here and then search what small birds, right? And then this is Android emulator, and this is iOS simulator. So I just wanted to show that it works in both. So this image looks beautiful. What I can do is I can tap on it, and then I can save this image. Okay, if I tap on save image, this particular image will be saved to the wallpaper. Sorry, it would be saved to the gallery, right? So what I can do, I can go here, and then if I go no, you can see it has been added to the gallery, right? And then in the iOS simulator, let's take this kitten looks very nice. I can tap on this, and then I can save the image to the iOS device as well. So let's take I tap on save image. So the image will be saved. What I can do, I can go to the gallery, I can view it, right? So I can see the it works in both Android and iOS. So this is how you do a proper wallpaper app. The downside is you can't use Unsplash API to upload it to the Android App Store. But if you have a big collection of nice images where you want to make money by making a wallpaper app with your collection, right? You can use the libraries that I mentioned here and the same concept that I have done here to upload your app to the App Store, and then use like revenue card to do subscription or lifetime payments to facilitate your SaaS product. So this is the thing. Like, do let me know if you liked it, and then if you want me to explain the code that I have done in JavaScript, you can also do it in TypeScript. So this is for the demo purpose, so that it just works, right? So in production app we use TypeScript. So do let me know if you guys want a detailed explanation on each and every concept that I have used here. Like for example, in the input I have used debounced input, so that in each and every keystroke the API call doesn't go to Unsplash or your backend. And then after, like let's take the user has entered 10 keystrokes or 10 letters at the same time, only after the 10th letter is done, and then let's say 2 seconds have been passed, we would send the API call, or we will call the API to get the images. This would save us bandwidth, and then this will also prevent us from something called a racing condition. As well as I have used something called a blob util to save the image properly to the gallery in both the apps. Yeah, so if you want more in-depth one, and in the infinite scrolling part, I use stack queries, use infinite query to gather the images sequentially. Like if I scroll down, you can see this is in Android emulator, right? So I can get all these images like this, right? So that's it. Do let me know if you want a more in-depth video.